Hi guys, good morning, salam alaikum, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Zainab and thank you so much for clicking in today's video, and for my returning, welcome back guys. So in today's video we are making potato patties, we are making chicken patties. The good news is that you can just make them in quantities and you can freeze them as well up to 2 months. So for me as a working mom, I love to make and just freeze them. My family love potato patties, so I just make in quantity and freeze them and make it and just take it out and fry it whenever I see I don't have much time to cook a real food. Okay, so I'm gonna start with potato. I'm gonna put potato for boiling as we are preparing our chicken patties first. So as you guys can see, I have my 500 gram of chicken mince and I add some coriander. I'm adding some chili. We like a little bit spicy, so you can skip chili if you are not a best friend of it. Now I'm gonna add a teaspoon of garlic powder, a half teaspoon of ginger powder. I'm adding onion powder, about 1 teaspoon. Now I'm gonna add black pepper, half teaspoon. I'm gonna add cumin powder, a half teaspoon. It's not really half teaspoon, as you guys can see, it's almost like full. So I add cumin powder, coriander powder as well. Yeah, so I add a teaspoon of salt as well, and I'm gonna mix this. I'll be back. And here we are guys, I mix it. Now we need a tray where it's a plastic wrap. So as you can see, I placed that plastic wrap. We're going to shape our chicken patty and put in this tray here. Chicken means it's very sticky guys, very sticky. So to prevent that stickiness, I use oil. I just rub oil in my hands, and yeah, I'll take a small amount of chicken mince and press it down as you guys see there. So I'm gonna try to make a round shape, and yeah, I'll just keep them in the tray. Yeah. We are done, but before you fry, keep them in the freezer for just few minutes. It can be 15 to 20 minutes. Yeah, so I'm gonna do that, and we're gonna come back and prepare the potato. So in the bowl, I'm gonna add my potato. I already peeled them, and we're gonna go ahead and add the spices. So first I'm adding fresh coriander. And this one we need spring onions, so I'm gonna go ahead and chop these spring onions from my garden guys. I'm the proud one here. So these spring onions guys is from our garden. Yeah, I'm gonna add that in there. I'm gonna add some green chili, chopped green chili. You can skip this if you don't like chili, but it adds flavor guys. Yeah, it adds flavor. And I'm gonna go ahead and add 1 teaspoon of red chili, 1 teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now I'm gonna add a half teaspoon of cumin powder, a half teaspoon of coriander powder. a teaspoon of cumin seeds, a teaspoon of coriander seeds. I'm gonna crush that a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna mash it and I'll be back. So here we are. Now I'm going to shape the potatoes in a round patties. So here we don't need water, we don't need oil, it's not sticky. We're done. So we have our potato patty ready, we have our chicken patty ready. So I want to show you guys, if you want to freeze, you need this plastic wrap, and you will need also a Tupperware like the one I'm using there with the lid. Yeah, so you place that plastic wrap first, and you're going to line up the patty, and you have to make sure you leave the space between them, because when it's frozen then you're gonna stick together, so you have to make sure you leave space between them. And now you have to place another plastic wrap on top of the patties and repeat the process until you are done. Yeah, and then you can just freeze them up to 2 months. So I won't show you guys the chicken. It's the same thing. If you want to freeze the chicken patties, you do the same thing we are doing here with the potato patties. But for today's patty, I won't freeze them. I want to fry them all, and I'm going to show you guys how you should fry them. Like this, they are ready to freeze them. But like I said, I don't want to freeze them today. I was just showing you guys if you want to make and freeze them. I'm going to fry them. Okay, so I need 2 eggs, and yeah, for the potato only. For chicken patty we don't need eggs. I'm gonna add a little bit of oil, about 3 to 4 tablespoon oil. We don't need too much oil, guys, and you have to wait until the oil is hot, not too much hot, guys. So yeah, I'm going to place the patties in hot oil and fry them. Oh my god, I forgot that I have to dip in the eggs first. Yeah guys, we have to dip in the eggs first, and we're going to place in a hot oil and fry until light golden. Okay, both sides. We're gonna do the same thing with the chicken patties. We're gonna add some oil and leave it to heat up, and then we're going to place chicken patties. But for chicken patties, I'm going to give steam, so I'm going to, yeah, I just cover the pot for 5 minutes, and then I flip it over. I'm gonna cover again and leave it for another 5 minutes in other side as well. We're done. Look how beautiful, guys. Yeah, this is the chicken, not chicken, potato patties, and here is the chicken patties. Yeah, guys, hope you all enjoyed watching this video, and if you did like, don't forget to give your sister a nice thumbs up, share with family and friends, and comment down below with your thoughts. I'll see you guys in the next video. Allah Hafiz.